OpenSSL missing during /configure. How to fix? I was trying to install Node.js and found OpenSSL support missing during ./configure. How can I fix it? Is it a mandatory step? Would the without SSL option fix the problem?
Yes, it's a mandatory step. You cannot remove OpenSSL from a program uses it, the same way you couldn't remove random engine parts from a car. The OpenSSL library is usually already installed, but you have to install the header files. Depending on your Linux distribution, you'll need these packages: Red Hat, Fedora, CentOS, OpenSSL Devil, Debian, Ubuntu, libsyldev, Arch, OpenSSL. Technically one could replace OpenSSL with, say, NES, but that's not the point here.
Debian.
No, it isn't. You can still compile Node.js with /configure without SSL.
You must install OpenSSL Devil in your OS with yum install OpenSSL devil.x86_64 /configure with TLS. Make install.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.